Legends never fade. Air Commodore M.M. Alam, a legend in the history of aerial warfare, an upright national hero, had played his part well in the making of this nation. M.M. Alam, as a squadron leader, flew Sabre jet over the battle lines during the War of September 1965 and destroyed 9 Indian hunters confirmed and 2 probables. Belonging to that generation that dreamt of Pakistan, M.M. Alam reckoned defending motherland as the best way to serve it. Alam, who believed that man evolves privately, graduated contemplating the chef-d'oeuvre of authors like Hugo and Sartre. Then exalted to the transcendent plateau, musing over religious philosophy. M.M. Alam trusted Quran is the ultimate fountainhead of wisdom. He said, "We don't need Mao's Red Book or any exotic ideology. We just require to develop a Muslim mind." He held that Pakistan produces excellent individuals in every walk of life, but what we lack is system and leadership. Few people are aware that M.M. Alam, who had been called Flying Virtuoso by a leading U.S. aviation magazine, had test-flown F-16 at Fort Worth and A-10 at Edwards Air Force Base in December 1981. He had spent 6 months in France for Mirage test-related exercises and later flew the aircraft back home. M.M. Alam believed that Pakistan Air Force is always ready to combat. It has upheld its tradition of being one of the best in Third World, not only by maintaining its equipment but also training its men most efficiently. Speaking about the image our fighter pilots have kept up, he said that it was not a myth. Our pilots have strived to acquire high tactical skills due to their burning ambition to excel.